And was that a path that was like pretty clear of if you want to work at NASA, if you want to do this type of work, here's the steps that you need to take? Or was kind of like you were kind of figuring it out and being like, well, I think this is maybe what I need to do.
There's something about me that I'll just go ahead and make a phone call. And I called NASA and just figured it out. And I said, all right, I called up, I was speaking to this one from Human Resources. And I said, so I want to be an astronaut. She said, oh, that's good. You want to be an astronaut? And I said, I just want to know what it's like to be an astronaut. And she said, well, the first thing you need to do is make sure you graduate from high school. I've got my bachelor's degree and I'm working on my master's degree. And she laughed and I laughed, because I probably sounded like some little kid. How do I become an astronaut? So it was very clear to me, there were civilians that were becoming astronauts now, right? We had astronauts that were on the space station. We were working on developing the space shuttle, so they didn't all necessarily have to be fighter pilots. So, I thought, well, that's the path I'll take. I'll see if I can get, the third seat, so to speak, or I could be a payload engineer or something like that.